What's the world's highest waterfall? Let's say has the longest drop.
Is it in South America?
No.
Not Angel Fall.
Is it Angel?
Oh, no, I've
Don't.
soiled my clean sheet. What a tragedy.
It is. Its drop is 11,500 feet. Angel Falls is only 3,212 feet. But you think, well, what is it called then? What's its name? The weird thing is it doesn't have a name.
Oh.
It's actually underwater.
Underwater.
Between Greenland and Iceland.
Why does it count as a waterfall, though,
Because
when
it
there's
is-
loads of water there anyway?
Because it's a huge current of cold water dropping down, and it is a waterfall within water.
But this doesn't have a name, right?
No, weirdly, it doesn't. The QI waterfall.
The QI waterfall.
The Alan Davis waterfall. The Alan Davis Cascade. That'd be a good name, wouldn't it?
Now you're talking.
That's a haircut as well, isn't it?
Very good, yeah. It's also a position.
Dear. This...
Can't do it anymore, I need support.
The unnamed QI waterfall, it carries at least 175 million cubic feet of cold water per second. It's the equivalent of 2,000 Niagaras at peak flow.
Whoa.
Yeah.